untumi nakache ene yeshase edi efre na obepie mo CID4 akache ni nyina yentansa omde abonus Akonta Mining woni ni pa bi e ka no kwan mo fa so omdi dwuma no na ense na emfata yensa ntofo kopie mo na sei ena na hotel
NPP Amanyoku Tetene ni Asante mantemu Bernard Ntwibosi akwadodo na efrene search man wontumi eni akwakopimu ewa Criminal Investigations Department 4 atena yekese won crime mantemu hase ya ne nyina na fa Attorney General ensa woto fresh says won peno toto empene no a wono ankasa emfa ne ho mra anyesa wono mo ebeba ababekire no.
Let us also congratulate the police system for being so professional in discharging their responsibility. We will also take this opportunity to congratulate the Attorney General who has facilitated all this. We will see you in court tomorrow. Well, the charges are in many areas, mining without license and all that, but we will discuss that tomorrow in court. But let me commend all of you. And Chairman has been, as you have seen.
Enwechino Chairman wontumi emrenim ni esade nsebusi tonsensho for enim.
The object is that we will go to court tomorrow. We're going to get ready to go to court. We say thank you to all of you who have been here with us. And let us also congratulate the police system for being so professional in the discharge of their responsibility. We also take this opportunity to congratulate the Attorney General who has facilitated all this.
Na enye chama no ntumi nko anene okopie mu CID4 akache Godfred ye boadamen kane aban emranim for panyine nso kopie mu ho ni nyina fa ambulance on sensem one japa ene atoforsen ho sensem bia emre bia ba ye ne yenim sa akoda samre asa pija amen ne opanyine kopie mu a se de ensem sika kono wan hwea on besa to mo nsa afre no eno nso mo nsem ne
Kanu Attorney General and Minister for Justice, Godfred Yabuadami, before we were CID headquarters. There wasn't anybody there. Assembly time I know Attorney General Uzi for ambulance at all force in case no Ura pa nano womb or the two got there. I shall quana Godfred Dami Fado, Nanka Opado Chinchiminsa, a war. Evidence be another there, and Sembia, Okupu mu a quarter na, no tray into an amdos abre CID there. 1 to nano na sozi fo ma wama mbra no nyinisi ono na onamdo oma obopemu ha na anope ya oba ya CID mpemfo wototo nano no bibiara ba wie ya weja no donko na obasa na friend na nkita onzibu ho a wotum watoado owie no nde oreba ne ze aloya fo bebre na woburu eduoso 70 na wozi na chira wobe nkano Deputy Attorney General Asonaba da Pazi tu gade ze okodo no ti oyaza wo hwe yim de za CID funu wa hyase no wo gbewie ni ye
aso be pant na yechila haibisase basem sika ya be say this for intia then the generality and na ye monimfo and yes I know about it this CID Director General for so we have bua wo say na ya lawyer for regional so ya for it be one to two and we dey say we try the be say in naso bia ni sa kwa bia
on echi no NPP mranyimni Frank Davis so to go there ono ze za orkodi nyina no ompede obezinkan abo charge bia na asem no afi na wa frɛ wetum ahaw asem no nti ohwe yim de wa frɛ ne ze waze won ginado nyina baba na wetum wezi asem ni
we were assisting the police with their investigation. So it is early days yet, so I don't want to preempt anything about charges. We just came here to honor their education. We are looking forward to what they will have to say subsequently. At least we have also told them what we know about the complaint. So we're waiting for them.
Kojo Mensa Abrampa Namensebo.